you have to open your Photoshop and the picture you want to crop properly, and in here you will find the crop tool. You have to right click on it and select the perspective crop tool. So once you have selected it, you have to choose the portion which you want to crop properly, and then you will have to align the these these squares according to the location where you want to crop. So I'm gonna drag this and select this portion in here, and I'm going to drag this and select this here. So you basically understand the idea that you have to move these squares and select the item you want to crop. So I'm doing that. After selecting the points, you just have to click on this right icon, and your image will be cropped accurately, as you can see in this picture. This method is very good method for cropping documents. So that's how you can basically crop images accurately in Photoshop. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.